Anissa and Sabir's love story bloomed in the virtual realm of English Planet, a Facebook group dedicated to the love of learning and teaching English grammar. Anissa's passion for language shone through her insightful posts, catching Sabir's attention from the start. As their interactions grew, so did their admiration for each other's intellect and kindness. Sabir, already an admin of the group, recognized Anissa's potential and promoted her to moderator. Impressed by her dedication and presence within the community, their virtual connection transcended the boundaries of the online world, and soon they found themselves drawn to each other in ways they couldn't explain. Despite living miles apart, their shared love for language brought them closer with every conversation. They laughed over grammar jokes and debated the nuances of English syntax late into the night. However, their blossoming romance faced an unexpected obstacle when Sabir's family arranged his engagement to his cousin, following traditional customs in their village. Sabir, torn between his heart's desire for Anissa and his family's expectation, felt helpless. She, hurt and disillusioned by his inability to sacrifice for their love, as the weight of their circumstances bore down on them. Anissa's once vibrant spirit dimmed with anger and sorrow, pushing Sabir further away. Despite their efforts to salvage their relationship, the distance between them grew until their communication dwindled to silence. With heavy hearts, they realized that their love was not enough to overcome the barriers fate had placed before them, and they parted ways, their romantic tale ending in sadness and regret.